Good day, Abraham from CPR here, and this is not a printer, this is a laminator. We don't usually do these, but I wanted to do a little video just showcasing how to take apart this. What happening is this piece of paper was trying to be laminated and it's stuck in there. I'm not fully saying that I know how to do this, but I say let me showcase at least some part of it. So initially this was be here like that, clipped in. You take out from one side and you peel it until you get all of it out. There's 6 screws underneath. Right, enough shine of the light. One there, one there, one there, and then underneath a sticker. There's be here and 2 on the other side. One here, one there. So you take out all your screws, look all your screws here, and then you prise from one end like so to get it up like this, and then you have to mind the screws on this section here. So another screw is the clips. So you see a clip there, you keep prising as you go along to get the clips out, and then eventually you will get it up. But make sure that you don't pull it off completely, because it could damage the cables that go into the power. And I don't know if this is the restart button or something. I don't know anything about this. So this is a fellows Jupiter 2125, and this is more or less where I reach. So I'll go and gently take this off. Make sure you have the cables in a way that it would not bend. I don't want to hold the camera and do this, so have it like that. So I'm going to maybe slide it like this, and this is your lamp for the lamination machine. These are the 2 rollers. So I guess then I just have to see if I can rotate these in a direction for it to pull out. As I said before, I never open these, so I don't know if I know I just had to get it to rotate, but it's real stiff. So it's rotated outwards so we could get this out.